Hello, I am Nata from deliciousrecipe.com.
And I'm Anna, and for today we will cook a very nice keto recipe.
Keto egg muffin.
For this recipe we will need 6 eggs, cherry tomatoes, bell pepper, chopped spring onion, ham, olive oil, just to grease our tray for cooking.
As for the vegetables, you can add any you have in your fridge.
What do we need for this recipe? We will need a big bowl and a whisker to mix the eggs with all these ingredients.
I will be the eggs, Anna, you can grease the pan.
We have a baking tray. We will grease a little bit with the olive oil. What are you doing right now? You are whisking whole eggs or just whites?
You will need whole eggs.
Whole eggs are perfect for keto recipes.
Sure. Can you give me some seasoning, please?
Of course. I think this is a very easy recipe for those on keto diets because it's just a simple process. You have to beat all the eggs and add all the veggies. That's it.
I will beat the eggs.
At this moment, I will top ham at the bottom of the tray, and then Nata will pour the egg mixture. You can use any kind of ham you have at home. You can use turkey ham, pork ham, beef, chicken, of course. If you are vegan, you can skip it.
Now we go with bell pepper.
I thought that we have to mix these veggies with eggs.
It's not necessary.
Okay.
Depends on you.
Then I will help you with the tomatoes.
Sure.
The greenies, we have to top them on the top or we have to add them right now?
You can put it right now. Use a ladle and pour egg mixture over the veggies.
Inside of the hole of every hole you have, and then top the Parmesan cheese to also have a very cheesy crust on the top. Now we will top some Parmesan cheese for a cheesy crust. This will be a very nice and very delicious dish. This can be for morning and also for lunch, yes?
Make sure it's clean
because at the end, I think we will clear it up to avoid a burning cheese because it smells really not very nice. We will cook these keto muffins for about 10 to 12 minutes at 180 Celsius. Let's cook. We will cut half to see what we have inside. Look, the texture is perfect, very soft, tender, and they really smell very nice. So we have to try. Very good. They are really very soft, nice, tender, delicious. I love them very much.
I have to say that I'm really impressed with the results. I like this muffin so much. Can I have a bite?
Of course, you have to tell your opinion, your critic opinion.
I don't know if you can see the texture, but it's yummy. The recipe was made with Tanya's help.
Stay connected to our channel.
Subscribe,
thumb up, comment if you have some comments or if you have some questions, just feel free to ask. Bye.
Bye.
This can be a very good idea to skip the boiled eggs. At 180 degrees or 350 Fahrenheit.
Conta 3 vezes.